Uya kigima omwanchi umurieri abegeta seni Jenso kono basemerera kwa itunga kwagendera ko gutwara uburieri aborobi ya kigima nebiro bindekero kicyaragire cinsa isatona ko butoka citaika isato igoro togo kwarigania asemesa ya mangana maya elinde tokomanye nare yagendeta kwene kigwa korwa cinsemo nyero mwanchi umurieri yonsi naboko yabwati agwetera sensemeri mitandao asensemo ya Facebook na boigo YouTube gwetera Ensoko TV Eliane Kerubo Frida
na nche nkuru kwa Clinton Ndigi haseri baga yabago tobwate sekuru studio ya kabiro kwene kamera gine chibicha ngochara senche rengia togo sabiro karanse covenant kurbono wikomwe
Karibu sana umwanchi umurieri atusange asobwamo gochaka bono iga goika omwelio kwechaka amaya yebire biga nigo togukumanyibuna ekero kire chingaki chesugukum bono nigo abarai nebikundi abagendete ko batarira nabo igo kubasira abatabwati Litkolia rero nigo mugavana we county ya Kisii Mbarati abakagatarira abaroire ase chinyagitari ime yomochi obosongo
Bulikito weekly forenge na bwateria emirobiriyo yanekiwa hase county yo ya Kisii abono twarigan dorobotiro kubwatia senchera yobekera
abarai amone bikundi aho nigo bagendrete kurwa bakonye nabo ko batarira abaroire na bari batabwatiana na kigema chichokora amona abaroire asinya vitali aho chingake chigachesu gukum ndagiyo egati abarai bari babekiro ko bako kubatarira abaroire asinya vitali no mugaba na county ya Kisii Mosque Paul Simbarati amana aba MC kurwa se county ya Kisii batarira abaroire asinya vitali aho imeyo mo chobosongo na bari kurwe biyegwa go chasa abaroire na kubaganaliye sigukwengiya
24th of December, I decided to go around all our health facilities. Which I've done KTRH, I'm going to other facilities, private, because I've finished from the public one, to check and wish those ones in hospital well-being and give them gifts for the Christmas. Of course, I've done that. I've seen close to 600 patients in my facility here. I've seen also the state story of our facility, one of the buildings which was condemned, where we evacuated over 500 patients. Two, I've seen doctors, they are doing a very good work. And I want to thank the clinicians, especially in Kisii, they are not on strike, because we have managed their affairs well.
Nabage kiombe kia Lions Club International na kerakyo niko kiralyo bagerulia bene ko batarira abana bo mta dosanga barabu Christmas abu asabaro baseme gochi asabale gotwara chimbo chingia na kolenda amazingira.
Tumeshukuru sana kama jamii ya Lion kuja kuunganisha hii jamii yetu ya kijiji na hii family inaitwa Street Boys.
Christmas is all about love. And we have come here to share love with our young boys and wamekuwa excited sana na tumeamua na hawa street boys ya kwamba tutafanya kazi pamoja. We'll be in partnership with them, tutafanya kazi ya environmental.
Okubori gwa niko kwaruirwa gucia abantu bonsi kweneke buna gusanga bari nabande chingake chiga chimega Yesu guku.
Lions Club ne organized kumanya abantu abo na koleta ogokonya onyane ndagira onyane nonyane medical camp to kora to kubwatera na county government n'abantu abange abande kurusiko
mu DIG Eliud Gatnere nigo anyora libagari abene na gotarira ebitaseni by'abanyanyimba imiye county ya Kisii rikurigireria nsemo y'oborendi na boigo ko basabira abakenya bonsi ese gukwengiya
morning this afternoon to check on security situation and assessment of Kisii County. I've been able to meet the police county commander and I did a courtesy call to His Excellency the Governor. The main issues that I am in here today is to make sure that Christmas festivities, the holidays between now and January, we want our people to enjoy. We have deployed enough security to manage this situation. That's why you've seen all the way from Nairobi to Kisii to Nyanza, the traffic management is good. We don't have any snarl because of the interventions that we have deployed.
Bono nere buya ekero yo mara nyaka baka gusanga no mwa motoye na kweneke buna batabwati ngonyora bali kende bali echinga geti gache Christmas inguripoteri Nsoko TV kurwa se county ya Kisii Eritreane Wycliffe Orenge
Nemono morikito Wycliffe Orenge kurwa somo icho yobosonge county ya Kisii togoskabosyo mwancho morigero muraibu ensi ya Kenya Mheshimiwa William Ruto nigobona baganirie aba Kenya chinga kichingia chogo chengero moiga bwese guko abegemeroberio yokuriga kwarigania umwako moya
Aseboigo abere kagusaba aba Kenya banyare kolinda naboigo gusanga nabatabwati unenchire yamo yokwenekia obwanchani chinga kichiga chimeyega yesuko
wa Kenya 2025 we clocked it. I wish you a Merry Christmas, a great and blessed 2026. Na kule barabarani, let's drive carefully. Avoid unnecessary losses. Otherwise, asanteni sana. Mungu awabariki na wapenda jameni.
Omokonyi bumuraibu ense kithure kindiki nigolit kolia lero ara umuyiga bukwena na chindagira chesukuku ochia ase abananchi bense moya irunduni iyogotoka imeye county ya Tharaka Nithi.
Maske kindiki nigobona abodia barundia bechipara koba maiso ase obotumeki busaso kwenekyo bosombi eri kwenekya aba Kenya abo bakwenekya chisabari ase chinga kechiga chomuyiga bwesukuku ngo ikabale chinsobo balebia.
Ni Christmas. Tunashukuru Mungu kwa sababu Mungu ametuwezesha kuona mwaka huu ukiisha na tumefika leo tarehe 24 Disemba. Tunashukuru Mungu kwa sababu watu wengi ambao walikuwa hai Januari wengine hawajaona Disemba tarehe 24. Ni kweli si kweli? Ni kweli si kweli? Watu wengi wanasafiri kutoka miji mbalimbali, sana sana wale watu wetu ambao wanafanya kazi Nairobi, wengine Mombasa. Watu wengi wanasafiri wakienda kwa makwao. Wengine wanakuja huku Tharaka Nithi, wengine wanaenda Moyale, wengine wanaenda Kisumu kwao, wengine wanaenda Ukambani, wengine wanaenda Kisii. Mimi na wasi madereva wote wale ambao wanaendesha magari ya binafsi, wale wanaendesha magari ya umma na magari ya binafsi, mimi na waomba madereva tafadhali, kwa sababu wakati huu wananchi wengi wanasafiri kwa sababu ya Krismasi na mwaka mpya. Mimi na wasi madereva muwe waangalifu barabarani. Ujue ya kwamba unabeba maisha. Hayo maisha kuna mtu ako hapo na akipata madhara familia hiyo itatatizika. Unabeba wananchi, unabeba maisha. Unabeba wananchi na unabeba maisha yako wewe mwenyewe kama dereva. Kwa sababu ajali ikitokea, saa ingine hata dereva anapata matatizo. Wengine wanaumia, wengine wanakufa. Kwa hivyo mimi nawasihi madereva wote katika taifa letu la Kenya, tafadhali muendeshe magari kwa utaratibu. Hakuna haraka. Mwenda pole ajikwai.
Uyo kabiro mokonyi bumuraibu ense ya Kenya umusikiri Rigathi Gachagua hamo na Pastor Dorcas Rigathi nigobaganira aba Kenya chingia hase umuyiga oyiga bwesuguku na kubasaba basange na batabwati bunencheremo yokugendera korokia obwancha.
Chinga kicho boigo nigo babolire aba Kenya kwirinda ase chipara ekero bakwenekia obosombi nekero emirobire yo kwarigania omwaka omuya egendete kwenekigwa.
Dear Kenyans, on this festive season, my family and I wish you a Merry Christmas and a happy year 2026. The year 2025 has been eventful for our nation. There were many blessings to our families, and many challenges as well. Despite the challenges, God has been gracious to our nation.
As Christmas marks the end of one year and points to the beginning of another, we would want your Christmas and expectations and all that you need, God will provide for you. It is a cheerful time for you and your family. As Luke chapter 2 verse 6-14 says, and it records that God Emmanuel, Jesus, was born in a challenging and a humble circumstances, reminding that the location is not a barrier to God's presence. Despite the challenges that you have gone through this year, let me tell you, God is going to make your life better, and all the resolutions that you have for this year, may God be the center of them, and may this Christmas bring you joy to your family as you go out there, share with your neighbors, with the communities, and travel safe.
During the festive season, I call on you all to be peaceful and celebrate with your families, neighbors, and friends. We know times are hard. Please do not let your neighbor go without food. To those traveling up country, take care and be safe. Rejoice always, because unto us a child is born, the Savior of the world. Merry Christmas and a happy New Year 2026.
Uska wasiumwa nchumo ligararia magega yomwana siasa uyure neganga yokurigia ekirgo ekyobo jumbe asense moye bunge ya Bonchari ni gobono uyumanyakaine huna Jona Onkendi anyara koba bose agotarira kwa yomuraibwense muske William Ruto imenyumba yobarai ase county ya Nairobi yaenekire okumsa ebirengererio au
Lituko rero nigo muske Onkendi akorire egeikaro n'abariki imeyasunika sensemo yebunge ya Bonchari nagoteba buna nigo aikia ebirero byo kobora kwa magendero asenseme ya Bonchari ase omurai wense ensemo yabamenye bebunge yo nigo barireira kumusira Onkendi ase okobwaterana n'omurai wense nakobaretera amagendero nagotumanya umurikito Pethuel Machini.
Magega yomwana siasa oyore niganga yokurie kirogo kiwechumbe mewinge ya Bonchari asobochoreo neborobosio muske Jona Onkendi utaromra ibwenso muske William Ruto imenyumba yobra State House kongsebrengero
inagania ngiraneliye amaswali nanyore gweterase kisimi message ase metandao na bali bangakiri kisimi nabandi message abandi bagonte binga congratulations aso joine serikali gosoko kwa wakino mwaka Ruto kwase na andi ngambo gwakorete tete kubatebiga inanyorete omwaliko no monene bwense arakurangire nwange gaki nwange
Chukurero nigo muske Onkendi akori kirona bariki meyasunike bunge yo naotebuna nigo aikibiriro bya aukobora kwa magendero ase bunge ya Bonchari asomra ibwense
kirona igete ase monene bwense nkarwa ebirero bya Bonchari unabona mangana y'ikipara mangana ye chitivet mangana igetikienda gyatenene na mangana especially chipara yara mangana chingeni style metwe umanene bwense otebiringa munago jajani waligaiga ngochaka ko machipara ekyo asa mangana y'ikikura kigocha indate y'abantu biringa ki toligere libuya toligere linga ki esengencho nga yo koigwa kolinga aya umuntu esengenjaro yo minto kabisa ngaruka tumwakira chikura ngoni jase nkuru abantu bali bakubuli chikura abange ndorenga y'abantu amananchi ko baligere linga ki umuntu naise no kolegasie
akobwatikana no yokurie kirogo kyobra ibwenso muske Fred Matiang'i oyo atara nere mono nigo Onkendi nekira maskani asare na igotari ko mwameria
bali bambo ligoro ya mangana murai Dr. Fred Matiang'i nje Matiang'i ni mosigete Matiang'i temo gisangione Matiang'i turi gupingana lekerogo Matiang'i lekerogo kya ko president mwaka Matiang'i Dr. Fred Matiang'i nje niko sigete na akole gas lakini umeze sababu chiko ranga ki ebintu bitagenda matwandamo ntu akwate bwa 2022 ngwata getengere kerogo na ndabona nje no kubata tubwatrane tinyale kantia boigo so nanje naronga kietu tokole kwenda tinyale kerogo weterase engenje tojinga monene bwense ne watakonya asibonchela sabona so yimotela
ensemo ya umenyi bebungeyo nigo barireira kumusira Ongendi asokubwaterana n'omuraibu ense kubarentera magendero.
Twitabire gukubwatsi ekerora abe no mwana oyo minto omubwatsi chikura muri nere nentinto tayi gukubwatsi mwana oyo minta cha kwali ko chega ororenga chikura chao chetu tamunchiro ekero omo president ora ali kugochaga kwani hapa ya abantu bari mama mboga ngwato promise tinga nache gotosire njera getenga kiyura aje chano wali oto inyore bunantoro erinde gotoko kobwasi gochigeti otamboke tutam tomanye ko kanyabageni ababande gochietamu iya gatatu tutam president
ntubuna abanjari niko tuamuire koba maega yo muraibu ense ese sababu eyemo no gwanja koigwe birero bya abanjari kotwachi para kitali gwete kabonjari kotomento molero bonjari esinsemo kinde kitabwatyo molero kotwachi sukuru cyobo bundi ekikitali bonjari ekyo nakikiagerire twakiraiga kokoene kerine toko bamaega yao January bunogocha ntomanyete na nintunto nyore ekeki korusteta usigocha bonjari gwetere soyo minto mwishimiwa Ongendi
asabiga basahe bainakire kumusira naende babwate chukura na weso kiaso bonge wakachukura sobochori banene bori bosio.
Mimi pia ni mkazi wa hapa Bonchari. Mr. President, I want to assure you together with Mheshimiwa Jona, you have our support. Nani tutam, it's not an imagination, but it's I assure you. Personally, I'm going to give it to you. And thank you for the development kwa kutupatia sisi vijana kama Inyota ulileta, you gave us Hustler Fund. We have done some developments here in our county. Thank you.
Viongozi kupitia uchaguzi ambao uliofanywa na pia hizi chaguzi ndogo ambazo pia zimefanywa, imeonekana kwamba vijana pia hawakuweza kuchukua kura na pia hawakuwa miongoni wale ambao wanapiga kura. So ni imizo langu kwamba vijana ifikapo mwaka wa 2027 pia tuweze kujiandikisha kama wapiga kura na ifikapo kiongozi ni Jona Ongendi.
Kuripoti ya Ensoko TV kurasunika yungia Bonchari akaunti ya Kisii Nchempethuel Machin.
Bienvenido sana umurikito Pethuel Machini ase orobotioro. Waskabusio omobiso manene ase wizara yobochenu Mary Muthoni nigakwanire kuganio kukororo wokwenekia obasemya nkubwatwa bure ucia asaba na inchi igoro yebikore byogwita anemono ase gati yabasacha.
Kagokwana somoega bwa matanga Matthew Njiru we miaka 53 uyo siretyo bogima bwa ya sogweita umo eshimiwa Muthoni nigatebiro bochano bobongo nigoboganeire kurigereri kwa soboime yego keya ebikore bune biga byogweita
trend, and especially here in Kirinyaga County, when we see people killing themselves, there are rape cases, and there's a lot of stealing that is happening from farm produce to cash crops. And I think it is important to note that issues to do with mental health are real. So I am appealing and calling upon individuals, family members, community to ensure that if there are changes in behavior of our family members and our friends, let us take action, let us speak to them, let us take them to hospital, because mental health is illness. Mental health is not a condition that will just go away. It is a condition that can be treated. And I want to tell members of the public that with the Social Health Authority, we have a package for mental health, can be taken care of at the primary health care, and it would be important for the community to take this up seriously. It's in the kiosks, then let the food handlers also have the food handlers must have inspection certificates. We're actually in the Christmas period. We are in the festivities season and mood. And my plea to the members of public is to ensure that foodborne diseases do not occur in our families, in our communities, in our household. And how does foodborne diseases come? You will get a foodborne disease disease out of eating contaminated food, out of eating meat that is not inspected and it is contaminated, out of eating leftover foods, that food that is not heated or is not boiled.
Tukoska basi mwanjo murigaru mwaziri w'echiseme Mheshimiwa Julius Okamba nigo bona abori abaibori amana aborkiwa abo bakora matemo abo akeje ise akwemuke getambukiro yo kugenda ase chiskuru echiba chorretwe mone serikali na gukora amaonchereria onye tichiba gogeti hasi egekaki amatuko atano na birare busio.
Mwaziri Ogamba ni garinge ko yakwana ya somo yiga bugocha kya eskuru ya sekondari ya igoro ya Shanzu imeye bunge ya Kisauni county ya Mombasa.
Holistic and value-based education is essential in eliminating ignorant prejudices and retrogressive cultural practices that undermine the unity and the individual collective development of our people. This is one of the primary reasons why we are implementing the competency-based education. Indeed, as you may be aware, the placement of learners is ongoing. Na hapa niwaelezee parents kwamba wale watoto ambao wanaenda grade 10 ambao walichagua ama walipewa shule ambao labda hawazipendi, kuanzia leo for the next 7 days muko na opportunity ya kurudi kwa shule na ku-apply again katika ile shule ambao mtoto anataka kuenda. So the revision is ongoing now. Kwa sababu hii ni mfumo mpya, kulikuwa na challenges hapa na pale, lakini timu zetu wako kwa maofisi saa hii wakiendelea kurekebisha. So kama yuko mwanafunzi ambaye alipata shule ambaye anaona kama sio mzuri kwake, ako na opportunity again for the next 7 days kurudi pale na kurekebishiwa shule ambayo anataka kuenda. Tuko na nafasi ya kutosha katika mashule zetu. So parents, msiwe na wasiwasi. Kama yuko mwanafunzi ambaye anataka kubadilisha saa hii, you are free.
Goskabasio abantu babere nigo basiria obugima bwabo nabayigo batano na batatu gotigerwa n'ekingoma cy'intindi ase ogotachana kwa bantu okukwa negatigwe asenkayo mu governor be county ya Busia Paul Otoma kingaki alikobwatukira abana inchi chindagera chisuguko
korengana n'echiamate cyabari basiritie obugima bwabo nigo bono besokire na gusaba serikali wesokia na kubasira asemega ya matanga.
Sisi tukatoka tunaenda kuchukua, tuliambiwa ni Otoma, tunaenda kwa governor kugawana chakula ya Christmas. Nilitoka tukaenda, tulipoenda tukifika Ajipu petrol station nikaona mama yangu amebebwa kwa mgongocho yake, amebeba na kamjukuu kale kadogo. Wakati tulienda kungangana kwa mlango, mama mwingine pia nikampata mbele ambao ni mama ya Mango. Mkono yangu iliumia kwa sababu ya kusukuma huyo mama, ni mkongwe, hawezi kufanya nini, hawezi kufika pale, hawezi kutembea, pia kuna mgongoji. Mama wengine wakasema, mama mwingine ule mzee, niliamuka haraka kuenda kuangalia, nilipata ni mama yangu Cecilia. Hao watu waliona huyu mama hawezi bebwa kwa pickup, walibeba mama wakamuingiza kwa gari ya black, gari ya VIP. Ndio walikuwa wanasema wampeleke kusenda. Ndio kutoka huko kukuja nikapata simu, mama ameaga.
Grandson to the grandmother that had just left us today. As my mom has stated here that they went at Otoma's place to receive some gifts for the Christmas. And whatever happened, we had the stampedes, and unfortunately we lost her when we were rushing her to the hospital in Busia district. So as we speak currently, she is in Busia district mortuary. This evening we've been there. We wanted to transfer her to Sega mortuary. Our grandmother is a very strong woman. She's been an advisor to not only to the family members, but to the entire village members around this place. As a family, because our grandmother has gone at the time not expected, and they were called by the government to go there and to receive the gifts, we are calling upon the government to to come in because there are so much that are required at the moment so that familia if possible ipate haki.
Wancho murigeria abono toikira omweri obwemesa yama yakuru ensoko botuko boiga yechinsa isato na boiga kero chitigarete chinsa nkego Frida aba na inchi kurwa se chinse au banyara ko baguchengera na kuwarigania omwega we gusugu kubagotabanga nechinga kiyesa iboretwe igona bange bagenda teko gandire chiamate chiabo abasani na boigo abairi kero bagenda kuyarigania na regaiga agotabanga kurukwa Robert kurwa Kenyanya agotabanga kubaganiria abagusi bonsi abamachoge abambaba abakyango mwakenyanya murugyo Alice amona bana bae Robert Mswahili kuru Kenyanya kyango gari negati ya bari banyara ko bagusangana into na gutuma cyujumbe cyo kubaganiria homoiga umuya bwesu kuna buna twachika goteba kero homuraibwense ara higati ya baraibande mokonyoye negati ya baraibande baisokire kubato ke ujumbe umuyaga umuya we Christmas no mwako muya kuruiga asemesema ya kuru ensoke Jumatano na into togotebanga mwanchu murigeria irende na boigo henekya una urio bwate ngosangare na bari batabwate.
Merry Christmas mwancho murigereria atokoganiria chinga kichingia obego kwegokia tumirane chinga kichinde ekero Nyasaye aranje iritarene Kerubo Frida.
Asante bagaria ya Barnaba Sondari na Toldi kore studio akabere bane kyamari gune chibichango chara senchirerengia nchenkoro kwa Clinton ndigi twarabutukomye.
Eye Nensoko TV Oboroso Bumugusi
Mwancho murigeria gwensoko na gusugeria sole ninde no kwera no gendete kurigeria emeroberio ya ito ya ensoko negocha asole kurwa asumuchio Nairobi oyo job mwakiri job Nyasimi Mumanyi moja mani ndo director Wensoko TV yangere chika kejitena mbiamono ase otogotosira ase matukali twanyare toko basembeo yuere metinye tato mpaka twakire chinga kechiga cyabona gakiki mogwego inyorana emeroberi nemenge ere motwe na abana ntugani tubarende elinde banyare bakwenda chisukuru mogendere koba amona intwe ende amange nare twanyare tukubabangera igo genda kuri eri emeroberi yeito nainde sechinga cyabona tukunya tukubaganiria Christmas kerekia no mwaka umuya kwa mwalembe wa 2026 aiga Ensoko TV no borusubu mugusi bogotoka
Melekaliki